Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm still playing with this Conlon. It's been a couple of days now, and as you recall, I did change the power transformer because I thought the hum was caused by the old one, and you know, it wasn't, unfortunately. What did I do then? Then after posting the video, Barry Whitaker came back with a suggestion, said to me that it could be the automatic volume control. And I know very little about the automatic volume control circuit. I have a rough idea what it does. I won't attempt to explain it. But I did notice that it goes through at least the first IF can on the little schematic that I did find, which I'll post up right now, just so you can have a look. And I thought, well, I had a thought that it could be the IF can, or both, one of them at least. And so I thought, why not just swap them out? I've got spares. And so I did, and no change. I'm still there. Then I was getting desperate, so I thought, for the sake of it, it was running, and I took some voltage readings off what I took to be filter caps, 8 microfarads, and top one there, that gave about 240 odd volts. That was normal. Measured the one down that was down here, and I'm getting 10 volts out of it. And I thought, well, that's not a filter cap at all. Well, not a filter cap in the sense that I understand it. 10 volts, it's more a grid bypass capacitor, something like that. So I had a look at it, and it's connected to the cathode of the 6V6, the output tube. So I thought, okay, there's something wrong here, something wrong. I know it shouldn't have an 8 there. So I went back to the net, and I finally found a couple of Conlon schematics. One was for a battery set, which I ignored, but the other one was for an AC set. And I reasoned that the engineers designing these things would have maintained some sort of consistency. And with every radio that I've worked on, I always see 2 main filter caps, which have high voltage running through them. And so I thought, well, okay. I looked at the schematic, and yeah, lo and behold, there's a 6V6, and on the cathode, it should be a 25 microfarad capacitor electrolytic running at 40 volts, and this one runs at 50. So I changed that, and I strapped the original 250 resistor onto it. I still don't have a 250 ohm resistor. They're coming in the mail though, so they say. I turned it on, and look, no change. The hum's still there. Then my eye went straight to that brown poly there. And that's always niggled at me on this set, because I've yet to see a radio with a 1 microfarad poly cap. So I took a voltage reading on it, and yep, 230, 240 volts. I think that's a filter cap. I really, really do. So the purpose of this video, I thought I'm going to record this to see what happens. I've snipped it in preparation to jumper in a excuse me, an 8 microfarad electrolytic. But I thought before we do that, I've just jumped it in at the moment. Let's turn it on and listen to the hum. We can do a comparison. And here comes the hum.
Yeah, very soggy around there. Not so for us. 19, it's 16 right now, and I should say that's been 4 roads.
Yep, and I can hear the hum through the radio signal.
Import Melbourne.
Thank you, Jane.
Which annoys the crap out of me. So, where are we here? Let's pull that jumper off. So that poly, get it out of the way, not touch anything else. That's the positive end. Here's my 8 microfarad that I retrieved from there. And where's my positive side? So there's my positive. And we'll earth it to the same spot. That's correct. So let's give it a test. See if I'm right. There's noise. There is a hum. But it's insignificant.
Stuck in the tunnel or wherever, give us a call, 133 693 is that number. But let's talk TV. TV for Rock News.
And I can't hear it coming through when the radio's on. I mean, compared to what it was.
Lift chairs and lounge suites. Alrighty, let's get to some calls, 133 693.
That's great. I think I've solved it. Excellent, excellent. Hold on. Still running?
Yes.
Yeah. Just take a voltage reading off it. Yeah, 222 volts. There's no smoke. There's nothing out of the ordinary here. So I think I just got lucky. But thankfully, finding that schematic, which is not this radio, of course, but I mean similar characteristics to it. Excuse me. And I have solved my problem. I can live with that. I can live with that hum.
Three disparate entities
Because once I turn this
living in
on,
an apartment block attempting to solve a murder.
there is no hum.
And they do a podcast about it.
Stark's on 18. Here comes Wood. And has him.
Roles from people like Sting in it. You've something to binge on
Great.
over the
All right.
holidays. Only Murders in the House on Disney.
That's it. I think the problem's solved. Well, I'm going to solder that the 8 microfarad into that position there. Again, 1 microfarad poly. I don't know. But again, I will say that somebody had gotten to this before I did. So, I mean, you know, I just tend to copy what I see, and radio was working, albeit with the hum in it. But thankfully, with that schematic, it helped me out. So, real short video, but from as far as I'm concerned, problem is solved. Maybe there's some more tinkering that can be done. Something else is not quite right. That poly there, that's an original one. Maybe I should change that too. I don't know. Or put in a, not a poly, but something else. One of my black caps or yellow caps. But anyway, problem solved, guys. Just wanted to let you know. Thankfully, it happened live, you know. So hope you enjoyed that. And yeah, I think, again, I just got lucky. But thanks for watching. Catch you soon. Bye.